One day, Tom was thinking how much he'd like a slice of bread with strawberry jam and honey. He went out for a walk, but he just couldn't stop thinking about that slice of bread with strawberry jam and honey. After a while, he came across his good friend, the miller. "Hello there, Miller. Do you have a slice of bread with strawberry jam and honey for me?"
"No, Tom. Haven't you seen that sky? A mighty storms are coming. Everybody's meeting at the Strawberry Mouse's house. We're gonna build a submarine."
"But I haven't had my lovely daily slice of bread with strawberry jam and honey yet."
"OK, Tom, you can bake your bread here, but you'd better get a move on."
Tom thought this was a wonderful idea. The miller gave Tom everything he needed to bake bread. They said goodbye, and off went the miller, while Tom stayed behind to bake himself some bread. So, a delicious slice of bread. And now for the strawberry jam. The miller said to visit the strawberry mouse. When the sky turns grey and the sun has gone away, then I know that it's going to be another rainy day. But there's one fine thing which makes the world seem bright and sunny: a slice of bread with strawberry jam and honey. You, is it? Stop standing around looking stupid and give us a hand. Of course, but first, could I borrow your strawberry stomping machine? All right, but get a move on. So, now I have a slice of bread with strawberry jam. All I need now is some honey. The rain goes pitter-patter, now it's turned to splitter-splatter, and I'm absolutely soaked, but it really doesn't matter, 'cause I wouldn't even notice if the sky begins to fall, while I can hear that slice of bread with strawberry jam and honey call, yeah! Hello there, bees. Can you spare a drop of honey for my slice of bread with strawberry jam? I'd love to help, but I'm not going to. We'll drown if we don't go right now. But I can't refuse a fellow his last request. Now get a move on or you're going to get washed away. Oh, Tosh, got a slice of bread, and I've got some strawberry jam, and I've got a bit of honey, that's the kind of guy I am. I'd better eat it quick before the rain turns it all runny. My slice of... Well, Tom, I bet you weren't expecting that. You can stop holding your breath now, Tom. You're inside an enormous air bubble. Underneath the waves, and I could have been in trouble, but I'm really rather safe, 'cause I'm standing in a bubble. There's absolutely nowhere else that I would rather be, 'cause here inside my bubble, I've got everything I need. A slice of bread with strawberry jam and honey. Thanks very much. And so Tom finally had half a slice of bread with strawberry jam and honey, but it tasted just as good as if it had been a whole slice. And he spent the rest of the day sitting inside his bubble, thinking about nothing at all.